Hey guys, this is Dan from IK Multimedia. I'm here at Summer NAMM 2019 in Nashville, and I'd like to show you our new iLoud MTM studio monitors. The iLoud MTM is the sequel to our iLoud micro monitor, which was launched just a few years ago. This is a near-field studio monitor with some really great features that are going to give you superior sound and just an overall better mixing experience, especially if you're using it in a home or a project studio. A couple of the things that make the iLoud MTM unique is, one is the sound quality. This has a linear phase response, which is going to give you much more accurate and open monitoring, especially through the mid-range. It's going to let you mix a lot more easily, and it's going to give you very detailed sound. Now, something you may notice that makes this a little bit unique, it's using what we call the MTM design, or mid-woofer tweeter mid-woofer. The reason that we do that is because this gives you a very symmetrical performance. It was what they call a point source sound. That means when you're using these on a desk, all the frequencies are going to arrive to your ear at the same time. That's going to make it much more natural, much more revealing. It's also going to really cut down on ear fatigue as you're mixing over longer sessions. So they're really, really great for desktop use. You don't have to put them on stands. The other thing is they have a really great acoustic calibration. So you may see here, they actually come with this microphone. This connects in through the back, and then you can actually calibrate these to the room that you're in so that you can really minimize the impact of any room acoustics if you're mixing in a bedroom or a space where you don't have acoustic treatment put up. They're going to really minimize any sort of distortions caused by that. Another really great thing is the frequency response. These have a really deep controlled bass, which is pretty impressive considering their size. And then the last part of these adjustable stands, you can actually angle these however you want so that you're always in the sweet spot when you're sitting on a desktop. So we really think iLoud MTMs are one of the best options for near field monitoring, especially monitoring in the real world in situations that maybe aren't the ideal of a perfectly treated acoustic studio. These are available now. They're $349 each. They do include the microphone, and you can learn more at ikmultimedia.com.